Hi, this is Rehan here from KnowledgeBank, and today I'm going to demo how a contact picker enables you to include personalization features in your referral emails, resulting in improved email open rates. Before we get to it, I would like to demonstrate how a typical or default email looks like without using a contact picker. So first, I'm going to directly type in an email address into the form field and take a look at the resulting email in an inbox. So there it is. We have typed in an email address and a custom message. It's sent. And so let's head over to our inbox and check how it looks. Here it is. It seems like a pretty generic email that could easily be missed or lost in an inbox. It seems to have come from a brand name the recipient likely does not recognize since they're being referred to this business. And the lack of personalization in the subject line does not draw the recipient's attention at all. On the inside, it's doing the bare minimum as well. It has a generic greeting, a custom message, and a link with no indication as to who sent the email or why the recipient should care to consider clicking through the referral link. Now let's switch over so I can show you how this works with the KnowledgeBank contact picker. We'll start over from the better sharing home screen on WordPress. You can find all the instructions you need to set up your email template in a documentation that is easily accessible using this hyperlink. But since you're here, let's quickly walk through this together. So head over to the email template section of the plugin. Remember that you can create as many templates as you require depending on your use cases and your audience segmentation. Here I'm going to choose to create a new email template for this demo. Let's give it a title, and here you will see that there are specific template variables added into the email body. These variables are essentially dynamic input fields to personalize each of your outgoing emails. Using a contact picker makes this extremely easy by extracting the recipient and sender data directly from the signed-in address books. The only alternative to this is to request your users to input the information manually for each referral that they're making. In the absence of this data, the dynamic fields just do not respond, leaving your emails looking generic as seen in the video earlier. Here on the right side, you can see what each of these mean by hovering over the info icon, and that should give you a fair idea on how these can be used for personalization. We are going to be using sender details to personalize the from field of an email and as a sign off to the body right after the referral link. We're also adding the recipient's name into the subject line so it sticks out in a flooded inbox and draws the attention of a recipient. Now that this is set up, let's quickly publish it, resend the email, and see how the final result looks. Here we are, back to our demo UI. Paste our message from earlier. Let's authenticate Yahoo and add a dummy account, Raymond Wayne 289 from the contact list. Select it and you're done. Send out the email and head over to the Gmail inbox to see the difference. And there it is, personalization at its best. Our dynamic template variables did a great job in personalizing this email, starting with the from field using the sender's name, clearly indicating to the reader that the email is from someone they know. The second big difference, and critical to improving your open rates, is the inclusion of the recipient's name into the subject line, effectively drawing the recipient's attention in a flooded, messy inbox. Once you open the email, you can also see the main greeting has changed to yet again personalize the message by incorporating the recipient's name into the opening salutation. Beyond the user-generated custom message, there is also a sign-off from the sender, adding to the credibility of the email and compelling the recipients to click through. And that's it. This has been a demo of setting up email templates, a quick comparison of emails with and without the use of a contact picker. I hope this helps. Ping us or find us on Slack or email us for any questions, help, or to simply say hello. See you in the next one. Bye.